Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to another quick video. Yes, we're doing a quick install, another mod for the C8 today. This one I'm super excited. Although it doesn't add a ton of horsepower, this is something I've wanted to do from day one when we ordered the C8. And we've got a cool update coming up too. You may see we've got a lot of boxes all over the garage. We are doing a total garage makeover. I've heard the comments. You guys are tired of seeing this dirty garage. So am I. So we're gonna, and it's cold out here, so I apologize. I'm in my shorts in the garage, a little cold, so we are going to do a garage update. I'll share that video coming up. We're doing tiles, painting, some new cabinets, so it should look really nice in here when I'm filming, so you guys don't have to look at my mess. And I apologize about the mess. We've got spare motors, we've got trailer wheels, Jeep parts, and the list goes on and on and on. So a lot of stuff. Anyhow, let's get to the reason for this video. So what we've got coming up, let me pop the trunk real quick. Oh no, it's like locked. So when we ordered this bad boy, I did not do the engine cover upgrade. I did do the carbon fiber, but I knew from day one that I didn't want to have all red in there either, because if you look closely down there, hopefully you guys can see and it's not too dark, the engine cover was offered in red, silver, and a couple other options, but there was no rapid blue. So I knew that I wanted a rapid blue engine cover to match. Now if we do twin turbos or supercharger, that's gonna change. So first of all, I want to give a shout out to 404 Parts. I'll put this down for a second here. I'll be a little harder to do, but this is an OEM cover, 404 Parts. I'll link I'll put the link in the description. Thank you guys so much. I think this is gonna look absolutely incredible. Would you look at that? I think that looks amazing. So this is a really easy swap. You literally just have to pop a few clips. I think there's two bolts, one in the back and here. So I'll have to climb into the back here to do this. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. But guys, that is gonna look so amazing. When you peek in there now, man, I just think that looks so much better when you look in there. The color is really close. That's just the way that the, you can see once the LED light turns off, was giving it a little weird hue. Let me know what you guys think, if you like this mod or not. I think it's pretty sweet. I wanted the color matching one, like I said. The valve covers are red, so I didn't want to do a red because it would look, I don't know. I just don't think it would match too well having red valve covers and red engine cover as well. So let me know what you guys think. I'll go ahead and swap this out real quick and show you guys the final product. Guys, the easiest thing, hopefully you can see, let me see if I can get a little more light in here. It's gonna be to get these 4 bolts. You've got 1, 2, 3, and 4, and there's a couple things attached to it. I think this is just a 10 millimeter, okay? Yeah, it's not on there very tight. All right, we got the 4 bolts out. This just kind of moves out of the way here. This is attached in here, so you need to pop this little guy. I think that's a, trying to see what kind of line that is. There we go. So it just pops right out. Hopefully you guys can see right here. I have to get a panel popper. God, I hate these things. There we go. A little hard to get out for sure. Let me put this over here for now. It got dark in here because the LED lights, I thought these were supposed to stay on. Still pretty clean, so now be really, really careful with your new engine cover. First thing we want to do is put this guy back on. I wonder if it'll be easier to do it this way. There we go. So that's in. So yeah, that might be easier. And then be careful when you put this back on here. This bracket right here. Not to scratch the paint. This side. There we go. All right. Just gotta kind of go under the hoses back here. I just gotta align everything. It's freezing cold in here, yo. Holy hell. I didn't think it was that cold out here. It's not supposed to be that cold. Now there's a side bracket here too. All right, so now I just gotta tighten this up. You know what you guys think with the red and blue? I know some people won't like it, but I do like the red valve covers, and you don't see it as much as you do the actual engine itself. let me tighten these up and we'll be good to go. Okay guys, there it is. This is like a 5, maybe 10-minute install. I just have to climb in here. Make sure you have all your tools. You're good to go. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks awesome. 404 parts again. Link in the description. They did an amazing job. It looks better than OEM in my opinion. Only thing that would have been cool is maybe this painted in red or something to kind of highlight the new logo. But it looks awesome, guys. Thumbs up. I think it makes the engine bay look a little bit better. Let me close the hatch and see what it looks like. One more time, guys. There it is. 2 simple tools. These water spots are annoying. All right, guys. 2 simple tools. A 10mm with an extension and a little panel popper. And that's all it took. 5-10 minute job, and I think it looks amazing. Let's close the hatch now, just to see what this looks like. Once again, I showed you earlier kind of a mock-up. There we go. Man, that is absolutely sick. Love it. Let me unlock one more time. Sorry about the lighting, guys. It's been raining and nasty outside. All right, guys, that is gonna be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give us a subscribe, give us a like, leave a comment below. We've got a lot of exciting things coming up. We have a few other things that we're gonna be doing to it. We just did the tints. I don't know if I showed you guys this yet, but it looks pretty nice. And we are doing a big garage update as well, making this place a little bit more presentable for you guys. So anyhow, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next episode.